family, welcome back to Miss Nada's channel. Today I am bringing you Dollar General haul 5 off of 25 Saturday. Yes, Dollar General haul 5 off of 25 Saturday. All right, y'all. Went to Dollar General. I was looking for the toothbrushes, you know, the dollar one. I still had one Crest digital coupon. I still had the 6 off of 4 on one of my numbers, okay? So I was looking at the app, trying to make sure that, you know, certain stores had things in stock. So the store that I went to, they usually have, you know, a lot of things in stock, but apparently, and I'm thinking, the cashier took those off for Saturday. I'm just saying that because I'll let you know why I'm saying it, okay, when I get to it. So I had to redo my whole transaction because I was trying to do a paper deal on it and use that 6 off of 4 so I could just be like $2, you know, less. But there was no toothbrushes for $1, the Health and Clean or the Bright and Clean. There was no toothpaste. But on the app, it's saying that, and it's been like that for all week. It might have, you know, dropped like 1 count or whatever, saying that they had it in stock. So I was like, okay. I said, I think I know why. After I left out of there, that's when I got to thinking of, I see why. So let's go ahead and get to this video, which I did come out of pocket great on this, okay? So the first thing I did was the Vaseline. I got the Calm Healing and the Soothing Hydration. They are $4 each. I had 3 off of 2. And then also I had a $2 off of 1. And also I had a $1.50 off of 1. So $1.50 off of 1. So both of those came off. The 3 off of 2 did not come off. And I was thinking the 3 off of 2 was going to come off, but I forgot it's lower than the 3 off of $3.50, which was fine with me. Okay. So the $1.50 came off one, and then $2 came off of another one. Then if you spend $8 or more, you save additional $2. So all of that did come off. Okay. The next thing I got is these Happy Scents. They are $2.25. Buy 2, get 1 free. Also, there is a digital coupon. It's a Dollar General digital coupon. 3 for $4. So the savings did come off for all of these. Okay. I got the Citrus Sunrise and 2 of the Coconut Coast. Okay. I had one of my subscribers, she had left me a comment asking me, you know, told me that, you know, I guess it was the filling. I have not tried them yet, and I'm going to try one today and then let her know how I thought about, you know, how I think about these scent happies, you know, if it's moisturized, if it makes my skin dry, because I hate any like soap like this, hand soap that makes my hands dry, because that bathroom soap stuff, oh my God, after I get finished washing my hands, I gotta hair and dry it. I gotta hair and put me some lotion on. Yes. So I will be trying that out today. If you are looking at my video, I'm gonna let you know I will be trying it today, and I will comment back on you. Okay. The next thing is the Dove. Okay. There is 2 digital coupons for the Dove. This Dove is I got the one that is the cucumber and green tea. It is $7 and let's see, $7.50. Then there is a $2 off digital coupons, and then also there is a Dollar General. If you spend $9 or more, you save $2. So since this was only $7.50, I had to get something that was a little smaller that would attach to that 2 off of 9, in which it was the deodorant. This is $1.75. Okay, y'all. So what I'm going to tell y'all is, so when I went in this store, and I never really paid any attention because I think I didn't really have to get no trial size. You know, like, you know how we usually get those glitches coupons? They have on in front of the trial size. You cannot buy these trial size if you're using digitals. So they're trying to tell you if you're getting it free from just one, they're gonna ask you before they scan it, do you have a digital coupon on that app that's giving it free? And I seen the sign, but I was like, okay, I'm not getting this by myself. I'm getting it with a deal. So she rung that up last. Okay, she rung that up last. She rung up one of my items. Then she told me I could put my number in. And then when she rung up the deodorant last, she asked me, she was like, are you getting this free with a digital? And I was like, no. I said, it's actually going in with a deal that I have. And she's like, okay. I said, it's a Dove deal, that a coupon that I am using it with, the Dove body wash. And she's like, okay, because, you know, we can't sell. And I'm saying to myself, how in the world you gonna know? You know, I guess when you know when she's doing it. But if you want to use the self-checkout, you probably wouldn't know, now unless they got a button on there that makes you, you know what I'm saying, do that. But I was like, no. I said, I'm doing it with a deal. And that's what she said, well, because we got a sign back there saying this, that, and the other. And I was like, you know, okay. She got a sign. She said they had a sign back there saying that you cannot purchase trial and travel with the digital coupons, because I guess someone, when we used to get them, they was going in there clearing it out. So that's why she was saying that. And that's why I was telling you all that I was going to let y'all know, because that's what she does, because I believe she took those Oral-B and Crest things off of the shelf for Saturday. Because I know last Saturday when I went, I think it was last Saturday when I went, I had got them. And I think she either be hiding them or she's doing something to them. But that's fine, because there's more stores out here that have them. So, like I said, the $2 came off of the Dove body wash. And then the $2 came off because I spent $9. Okay. So, there is that. Then I got the Suave. The Suave is, if you spend $8, it's Suave, and I think it's Tresemme and something else. If you spend $8, you save $2. Also, I had $1 manufacturer coupons that came out of the Unilever that actually was scanned for these two. So I got 4 of them because it was $8 that I needed. So after everything rung up and I put my number, which you know, I put my number in way before, and she rung up everything. My subtotal came out to be $7.50. Yes, $7.50. So it's like I just paid for the body wash and got everything else free. But also remember, when you're doing a 5 off of 25 on Saturdays and you having all these savings in your transaction, you have to get it over at least 20, I would at least say 27 will be the number that you would need to get it over, or maybe a little bit more. But I always try to go up to 30, which my savings and stuff, I mean, you know, $30. So I'm going to show you my receipt. So there is the Suave. Okay, there's both the savings that come off. There is the body wash. There is the, let's see, what else is that? The Scent Happies. There is the Vaseline lotion. And then there is the Dove deodorant. My subtotal was $7.50. Yes, $7.50. You know, everybody's taxes is different. So look at my total savings, y'all. $24.50. Yes, cannot beat that. That's why I said you have to get way over for your 5 off of 25 to, you know, for that to come off too, because all your savings going to come off first. Then your 5 off of 25, and then all the digitals, and then like I had manufacturer coupons for the swab, and then she scanned those last. So that's the way you want to do it. If you're doing a 5 off of 25 and you got a lot of savings, get it over the way over the $25. Subtract all your savings. Once you tracked all your savings, then your digital is going to come off, your 5 off of 25, because it's going to go to 5. It's going to go all the way down. It should go all the way down either to $25 or it might be 26 or whatever. But you want to make sure once your savings come off, it's going to be $25 or a little bit more, okay? For your 5 off of 25 to come off, then all your digital is going to come off, and then give her your paper coupons last, okay? Now, on here, sometimes on the paper coupons, they don't want to scan. They might beep or whatever, but mine did not beep. She scanned all of my coupons, and they did come off. Sometimes you want to do the product and the coupon, but it all depends, okay? Sometimes it works like that, sometimes it don't. So, and then I got a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. So this right here is my Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25 Saturday. Yes, 5 off of 25 Saturday. If you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by. Miss Nine